Magandang araw sa ating lahat mga kaboksing. Ito na po ang rematch ni Melvin Jerusalem laban kay tough challenger South African boxer Siya Kolwakusi. So ang laban na to ay naganap po sa South Africa noong nakaraang Sabado, May 16, 2026. So rematch po mga kaboksing itong bakbakan at matatandaang una na silang nagkasagupan noong October 25, 2025 at tinalo nga ni Melvin Jerusalem itong si Kusi in a very close fight match. So tingnan po natin ngayon kung muling madepensahan ni Jerusalem itong kanyang hawak na titulo na WBC minimum weight world title. Start of round 1 po tayo mga kaboksing. Ang ating kababayan po na si Melvin Jerusalem ay ito pong naka gold trunks at itong kanyang kalaban naman ay white trunks na may
legs, strong legs like a Manny Pacquiao. Of course, Manny Pacquiao is his hero. Referee Mabon Kanse.
So kung i-compare po natin ano ang katawan nitong dalawang boksingero ay di hamak po na mas matangkad itong si Siya Kolwakusi at hindi naman masyadong kalakihan ang katawan nito and I think mas may laman po ang katawan ni Jerusalem dito. So ito nagbato si Kusi ng kombinasyon sa katawan at tinamaan po doon itong ating kababayan.
He needs to be confident in this fight.
Bago ang laban mga kaboksing, itong challenger na si Siya Kolwakusi ay may professional boxing record ito na mayroong 9 na panalo, may 3 talo, may 1 draw at may 4 na panalo by way of knockout. Samantalang ang Pinoy na defending world champion na si Melvin Jerusalem ay may professional boxing record ito na mayroong 25 panalo, may 3 talo at may 12 panalo by way of knockout. At ito nga po ay scheduled for 12 rounds bout para nga sa WBC minimum weight world title. At ito po mga kaboksing ang pang-apat na pagdepensa ni Jerusalem sa kanyang hawak na titulo. Nice exchange. Parehas pong tumama doon ang dalawang boksingero.
Dangerous and heavy-handed gentleman. He can punch. Jerusalem can...
So napapansin ko na si Jerusalem po ay mukhang inuuna niya ang kanyang noo. Napakadelikado po para sa isang
He's a good puncher as well. For
head clash na maaaring mangyari dito. Parehas pong focus itong dalawang boksingero.
From Kuse just timing the right hook.
At nasa gitna sila ng ring. At tila walang gustong umatras sa bakbakan. Nakabantay po sa kanilang mga depensa. Nice combination coming from Jerusalem. Tumama po doon.
Combination from
It
Jerusalem.
was the end of round 1 mga kaboksing. Start of round 2 po tayo mga kaboksing. Ito po ang bakbakan ni Melvin Jerusalem versus Siya Kolwakusi ng South Africa. At ito nga po ay dinidepensahan ng ating kababayan ang kanyang hawak na titulo na WBC minimum weight world title.
Well, it's always important if a round's close as well, Aiden, to win the last 20 seconds. Because if the judges don't know which
So sa round 1 po ay
20 seconds.
nagkapalitan din po sila ng kanilang mga kombinasyon. Good to the body coming from Kusi. At nag-miss po
Against Marvin
ang left punch ni Jerusalem doon.
to jab.
Yeah, a little bit more initiative now shown by Siakua as he starts to pop off there. Just
Sumukhang naiilagan po ni Kusi yung
Jerusalem with a jab.
counter punches nitong ating kababayan. Mabilis pong umatras itong
Knew the
African boxer.
Jerusalem, beautiful work there from Kuse.
Yeah, nice work.
So isang magandang depensa po yun. Tumama po ang right hand nitong si Melvin Jerusalem.
Oh, you can
It
see
was a good
fighters know their way around the ring.
right straight na tumama po sa mukha ng kanyang kalaban.
Signaling the half of the green and gold combination of the WBC, a proud WBC world champion, looking for a fifth defense.
Yun.
Step back! Step back!
Good exchange to the body. At napapansin ko pong punteriya po ni Kosi ang katawan nitong ating kababayan.
Jerusalem's wow with that left hand.
Ayun,
Brian, what was the
mukhang nagkauntugan na naman itong kanilang ulo.
and how does it compare to tonight?
Well, it's very different, Adam, because obviously that was in an
Wash your
auditorium where the late great Muhammad Ali fought against Joe Fraser, but when Manny
Good exchange. At ayun,
they absolutely exploded. It was unbelievable. Well, there's a cut down.
tumama po si Jerusalem at tumama yung kanyang kanang suntok, pero may pakawala din si Yakul Wakusi sa katawan nitong ating kababayan.
We have Mauricio Suleiman here tonight as well, so the occasion's
You
huge.
also got Brian Mitchell and Bevan
Oh,
Sabala.
that's true.
Mukhang dumudugo po ang kilay nitong
Obviously,
si Jerusalem.
in the Philippines, was,
Hindi pa nating masabi kung clash of heads or sa suntok ito nang galing.
and as I said earlier on,
Mukhang dumudugo po ang kanyang left. At ayun, tumama si Jerusalem. Tumama po ang kanyang malakas na right hand. At ayun, again, good punches coming from Jerusalem.
Power of Jerusalem, because yes, he might have a cut, but he's a more
So ayun,
now that he knows he's bleeding.
at may cut nga po nasa kanyang left na kilay. Sumaaga pa po round 2 at nasugatan na itong ating kababayan. It was the end of round 2 at
And we can see
maganda po ang ipinakita doon ni Jerusalem. Start of round 3 at nakita natin sa replay at mukhang clash of heads po
number 3
Wala naman pong malinaw na suntok si Kusi na tumama
world title
sa left na kilay nitong ating kababayan.
Golden Gloves promotions. And Siakul Wakusi has got a golden opportunity, a chance.
At sana ay mapigilan ang pagdurugo nitong sugat ni Melvin Jerusalem. Baka mamaya makaapekto pa ito sa performance ng ating kababayan. So far sa round 2, maganda po ang
the cut. Bobby's
ipinakita ni Jerusalem.
needs to straighten those.
At ito, umaarangkada si Kosi dito. At patuloy pong pinupuntirya ang katawan ng ating kababayan.
Caught Kusi has.
Mukhang tinamaan doon si Kosi,
Jerusalem caught him.
Pero yun,
There again.
nice to the body coming from Kosi. At tumama po ang kanyang right hand, kung hindi ako nagkakamali,
Power of Jerusalem.
sa kilay nitong ating kababayan.
And he likes the
So I think pinupuntirya ni Kosi ang sugat nitong ating kababayan. Good to the body coming from Kosi.
Body shot there, and then Jerusalem just landing the left hook after that. Good combination.
Pero mabilis namang gumanti itong ating kababayan, At kumounter po itong kanyang left hand.
Well, both these fighters show each other a lot of respect.
Maybe I'll bring Bevan Sabala.
Good to the body coming from Kosi.
He rates Siakul Wakusi's power.
At binibitawan niya lagi itong kanyang right hand
His punching power.
sa mukha ng ating kababayan. At ito na, tumatama po yung dumadaloy po yung dugo, pumapatak sa mata nitong ating kababayan na si Jerusalem.
Doing the person to shine around.
It was a combination to the body coming from Siakul Wakusi. So dapat po mag-focus si Jerusalem sa kanyang fight plan. Good left hand coming from Jerusalem.
Jerusalem.
Kusa can take a punch as well. That was a flush left hook.
Nice exchange.
Round 3 so far.
Yun. Dikitan po ang kanilang bakbakan. At ayun na nga.
Also hit.
So talagang
Oh, brilliant round 3. So Jerusalem's
mayroon pong epekto ano sa
obviously
performance nitong ating kababayan. Mukhang
the initial headbutt.
at mukhang dumudugo po pa sa bandang taas nitong kanyang kilay.
Inspiring.
Nice punches coming from Kosi. I think sa ulo na. Bandang taas ng kanyang left na kilay ay dumudugo po. Ano?
Kuse's father. Let's join Laura.
Itong si Jerusalem. It was the end of round 3 mga kaboksing. Start of round 4. So sa round 3, parehas pong magandang ipinakita ng dalawang boksingero, pero ang nakita natin din kay Jerusalem ano ay mukhang nadagdagan po itong kanyang sugat. At hindi lang po tayo sigurado ano, pero bandang taas ng kanyang kilay ay mayroon pong dumadaloy na dugo. Directly po galing po sa kanyang ulo talaga.
You can see the cuts having
Taas ng noo.
Kuse keeping nice and
Hindi lang po ako sigurado mga kaboksing.
single time now, and I think as you said, Brian earlier, that
Pero base po sa nakikita natin ano ay mukhang may sugat po
Yeah, that's
sa taas ng noo itong ating kababayan.
but it's not easy.
So I think tumataas po ang kumpiyansa dito nitong si Siya Kulwakusi
Right here in Jerusalem.
matapos na makailang beses pong
Kusi.
tinamaan niya itong ating kababayan. At
Kuse getting
may sugat na rin po itong si Melvin Jerusalem.
Jerusalem often throwing the heavy punches, and Siaku are able to get in and out. So he's become a lot more calm now as round number 4 has unfolded.
I thought Sia did well in round 3.
Good left coming from Jerusalem.
Those left hooks. Step back! Step back!
Hindi po umaabot itong
He is dangerous with the
right punch ni Jerusalem ano.
dangerous, but
Mukhang naiilagan agad ni Kosi. Nice one to combination coming from Jerusalem.
with Jerusalem, trading with Jerusalem might not be the way to go.
Yun. Good to the body coming from Kosi. May ganti din naman itong ating kababayan. Nice left hand coming from Jerusalem. And nice to the body again
As Kuse, I like that. You know,
from Melvin Jerusalem.
he's reverting. He's not being predictable, and how well is Kuse boxing tonight?
Yeah, he's boxing well.
Nag-miss po ang right hook nitong si Kosi.
Which will catch the judge's eyes.
Stop turning around. Forward it.
Just looking at the swelling under Kuse's left eye. So starting to pick up a little bit now.
Yeah, Kusi's got a swelling that's done well.
Nice to the body coming from Jerusalem. At napansin kong mayroon na pong swelling sa
To make Jerusalem
right eye nitong si Kulwakusi. Napaka-aggressive po dito ng challenger ano.
What's our hands?
At mukhang sinisipag po sa kanyang mga suntok.
Really hard. Potentially another good round for Siakua Kuse. And a very close one, but I think just the more effective work.
It was a close round
round 2.
para sa dalawang boksingero. It was the end of round 4 mga kaboksing.
Because, well, vice commentators it helps a lot. And for the fighter, you know,
Start of round 5 po tayo mga kaboksing. Ito po ang bakbakang
and we'll see
Melvin Jerusalem kontra dito kay Siya Kulwakusi. Para po ito sa WBC minimum weight title na hawak ni Jerusalem. Challenger po itong African boxer.
Yeah, here we go.
Sia's got an keep going,
So itong ating kababayan po, ito po yung
but it's easier said than done.
may suot na gold trunks at itong kanyang kalaban ay white trunks naman po ang suot.
Interesting. So one of the
So close fight po sa nakikita ko ano. every round po ay maganda naman ang kanilang ipinapakita.
So it's 38-38 on the one judge, 39-36.
Pero masasabi kong not easy fight for
So it's
Melvin Jerusalem.
Split.
a split draw as things.
At sa una nga nilang bakbakan noong
As WBC World Title fight, we expect no
nakaraang taon ay may mga nagsasabing
Good punches now from
talo po si Jerusalem. Mayroon din namang nagsasabing panalo po ang ating kababayan. Hati po ang opinyon ng ating mga boxing fans doon sa kanilang unang bakbakan. At naganap nga po itong unang bakbakan ni Jerusalem at
close that gap
ni Kosi
and work.
sa Araneta Coliseum sa Pilipinas po, sa ating bansa po naganap ang una nilang match. At ngayong rematch ay sa South Africa po.
Siakua Akusa hit him with a serious shot.
So alam naman po natin ang South Africano.
Yeah,
1-1.
Yun,
right to
tumama po ang big right hand ni Melvin Jerusalem. At ito umaarangkada si Kosi. At tinamaan po doon ang ating kababayan ng mga kombinasyon.
Right here between these two gentlemen.
We've got
This
a
is the
real
reason.
fight here, Aiden. But this is what we saw in the Philippines. Got two guys that can really put it on in this weight. And we've got a man next to me, Bevan Sabanda, that's right up there as well.
So nagbakbakan po itong dalawa noong March 25, 2025.
Should we see
At personal po nating napanood ang laban na yon.
in the future?
There's a big possibility of that. Bevan
So ito na po ang pagkakataon ni Siakul Wakusi na ipakita sa kanyang mga kababayan ang personal,
I like what he's doing.
ang kanyang galing. At kliniklaim po ng kampo ni Kosi na sila ang panalo noong kanilang unang bakbakan. Well, masasabi kong close fight po yun. At maganda po ang ipinakita ni Kosi doon sa bakbakan na yon. It was the end of round 5 mga kaboksing.
Africa, Philippines, or Mexico? That's what you got. Or Zimbabwe. Oh,
Start of round 6 po tayo mga kaboksing.
considered
At nakita po natin
jewel.
mas malaki na po ang swelling ng mata ni Siakul Wakusi dito sa kanyang left eye.
Halfway through the fight.
Pero ang maganda dito kay Kosi ay wala pong sugat.
His
Swelling lang po na maaaring nakukontrol nila
Fight. Go forward.
ang paglaki. At si Jerusalem ay patuloy po ang pagdurugo
top of the head of.
ng kanyang noo.
There's a couple of
Nice 1-2 combination coming from Kosi.
Siakul Akusa. Could he do?
At wala pong sagot si Jerusalem doon sa
And it's all in it.
mga binitawang suntok nitong kanyang kalaban.
What a phenomenal event this might turn out to be here for either guy.
For sure, and the last guy in the South African ring to win a WBC title was Dingaan Bella 26 years ago. And should see
So yun,
become
nag-miss po ang
ever win a WBC.
right hand ni Kosi at napadapa po siya.
Sugarboy Malinga, Kevin Larita, and we'll hold thumbs. But we'll have a fourth here.
Nice 1-2 combination coming from Jerusalem.
Who's it? They're just missing, falling off balance.
Nice to the body again coming from Jerusalem.
Jerusalem
At tumama po ang isang suntok niya sa mukha ng kanyang kalaban.
doing
Again,
and not allowed
tumatama po ng maganda dito si Jerusalem.
In round number 6.
So sana ay maging consistent po itong pagiging aggressive nitong ating kababayan. Maliksi ang katawan at mabibilis po ang binibitawang suntok ni Jerusalem sa round na ito.
You see one.
At halfway na po tayo, round 6 na po ito. At ito nga po ay scheduled for 12 rounds bout. Nice job coming from Kosi. Nice job again.
But to this,
Nice to the body naman coming from Jerusalem.
one for you, one for me.
So back and forth ang bakbakan sa round na ito. Good to the body coming from Jerusalem. May sagot din naman itong si Siakul Wakusi.
Tough round to go.
Oh, good one too there from Kusa. He looked so
Good 1-2 combination again coming from Jerusalem.
silly move there from Kuse.
Watch your hands.
Nice to the body coming from Kosi naman. So ang maganda dito kay Jerusalem, kahit siya ay sugatan, ay nakikita natin ang kanyang focus sa bakbakan. Tumama po. Again, tumama ng maganda doon si Jerusalem. Mayroong uppercut at right straight. It was the end of round 6 mga kaboksing. Another close round.
Privilege for Sia and for South Africa.
Start of round 7 po tayo mga kaboksing.
It's really an honor. Back to the action.
At sa round 6 ay makailang beses pong tumama ng maganda ang mabibilis na mga kombinasyon nitong ating kababayan.
Occasion, just landing the odd
So ang ating kababayan po dito ang defending world champion at
game plan of Jerusalem.
itong South African boxer po na si Siya Kolwakusi
Kuse is
ang challenger.
up to that because
At ito nga po ay rematch ng dalawang boksingero.
well strong.
Yeah, they've done a good job with that cut in Jerusalem. But Sia's boxing well. He's breaking in those punches nicely. Like you said, Jerusalem is very clever. He's not a world champion for nothing. He wins the last 20 seconds of every round. Whether the judges give him the round or not, we'll only know just now. But he's smart. He's a world champion.
Great in and out movement there from Kuse. You can see he landed and timed the right hook just by moving in and out. And again lands the right hook.
So this is very close fight, Hindi naman po nating masasabing kontrolado ni Kosi ang bakbakan. Hindi rin naman natin masasabing kontrolado ni Jerusalem ang tempo ng kanilang laban.
His own worst nightmare. He throws looping punches. He misses.
At ang nakikita natin ay back and forth
Wow.
na bakbakan.
And then he doesn't look good.
Kung may mga kombinasyon itong si Kosi na binibitawan, ay mabilis din namang gumaganti itong ating kababayan. Ang pagkakaiba lang dito ay may sugat po itong si Melvin Jerusalem.
Watch your hands.
Samantalang si Kosi ay swelling po. Ayun! Tumama po doon si Kosi.
Jerusalem in the body, yes.
Sa ulo at katawan po yun.
It's a great strategy of trainer Manny Fernandez to get in there and counter the looping shots of Melvin Jerusalem by just stepping off and feinting and then and going at an angle to throw the right.
So close fight po At I think
But the man trying.
kung hindi po mananak out ni Jerusalem itong kanyang kalaban ay siguradong
Yeah, this is a strong.
matatalo po tayo sa desisyon. So sa round na ito ay patuloy ang pagbato ni Kosi ng kanyang mga kombinasyon. Samantalang ayaw namang umatras ni Melvin Jerusalem. Tinamaan po doon itong ating kababayan. At talagang disturbo po sa mata. At yun, tumama po doon si Melvin Jerusalem.
Towards the end of this round. This is typical.
Talagang nakikita ko sa round na ito na
I believe he's done very well. Catches Jerusalem there.
naapektuhan po ang performance ni Jerusalem ditong pagdurugo ng kanyang ulo at kilay na dumadaloy po yung dugo sa kanyang mata. It was the end of round 7 mga kaboksing.
Forward Kuse needs to work that body. Go to
Start of round 8 po tayo mga kaboksing.
in CBS.
At sa round 7 po ay mukhang mas malilinis po ang mga binitawang suntok nitong si challenger na si Siya Kolwakusi.
We must remember also that
At nakita ko ang
punch on him.
very disturbing para kay Melvin Jerusalem itong kanyang sugat na patuloy po na nagdurugo at dumadaloy po sa kanyang mata.
As soon as Kuse touches it.
At ito po yung nagpapabulag
Advantage of.
para sana tumama ng maganda itong ating kababayan at mailagan niya sana
Work there.
ang mga bitaw na suntok nitong kanyang kalaban.
He's been consistently using his reach advantage.
Ayun,
Jerusalem now.
tumama si Kosi doon.
Up his game.
Much like he did in the first fight, Kuse, he used his movement to his advantage.
although tinatamaan si Jerusalem sa previous round ay patuloy din naman ang pagsugod nitong ating kababayan. At dito nga po sa round 8 ay kita naman natin na ginagawa
Trying to set up the left
ang lahat ni Jerusalem
that occasion, and Siako Akusi
para patamaan itong kanyang kalaban.
baiting some of those big
At
shots, one of his own.
sa kabila po ng sugat ni Jerusalem ay hindi ko pa po nakita na may lumapit po na ring physician
And Jerusalem
para i-check sana itong sugat nitong ating kababayan.
Feeling that Kuse's got the range now. He's got the range of Jerusalem.
has just got to keep his hands up
Nice exchange to the body.
in the end, round 8.
As I say that, the commentators, Chris, as I say that Jerusalem finds his range.
Nice to the body again coming from Jerusalem, pero mabilis pong gumanti sa upper section. Start of round 9 na po tayo mga kaboksing.
You got to now go.
Regarding the 8 rounds on the WBC,
Nice job coming from Kosi. At patuloy pong lumalala ang pagdurugo nitong sugat ni Melvin Jerusalem. At halos matakpan po ng dugo itong mukha ni Jerusalem. At ito na,
so I'll read out the score.
naghihiyawan na po ang mga boxing fans nitong si Siako Wakusi.
Says up on all threes
At matapos nga pong
for you, Jerusalem on Judge
tamaan si Jerusalem ng mga kombinasyon.
Kuse. Judge B 75 to the champion 77 to the challenger Kuse, and Judge C 75 to 78 to the challenger Kuse. So Kuse up on all 3 cards.
So narinig natin
Rounds to go. He just got to keep his hands
sa buong cards ay mukhang lamang po si Kosi. I am not sure kung yung narinig po natin ay official scorecard po yon.
Well, it's all about keeping calm, keeping your hands up.
Bali sa round 9 ay patuloy pong tumatama ng mas maganda
He's gonna
si Siako Wakusi. At I think para masilyuhan ni Melvin Jerusalem
Kusi back.
ang kanyang panalo ay kailangan niyang i-knock out itong kanyang kalaban.
Only one judge has it,
Pero napakaganda po ng depensa ni Kosi.
and the other by 4 points.
Halos pong hindi matamaan, mabilis pong mag-backpedal para hindi po tumama yung mga counter punches nitong ating kababayan.
A knockdown could change a lot of things if he opts to throw something. But it looks
At ayun, tumama na naman si Siako Wakusi.
again by Kuse.
Jerusalem's a good punch.
At talagang ginagamit niya ng tama ang haba ng kanyang mga kamay.
Back of his life,
Nice one to combination coming from Siako Wakusi.
world champion.
37 seconds left in round number 9. Jerusalem
At
to pull a rabbit out.
yun, one to combination coming from Siako Wakusi. To the body and to the head.
Kusi.
Patuloy po ang pag-arangkada ng challenger na si Kosi sa round na ito.
He's going to have to look for a knockdown to get back into the fight.
At nakikitaan ko pong
He's going to
pagod itong ating kababayan. And hindi ko pa po nakikitaan si Melvin Jerusalem ng magandang suntok sa round na ito. It was the end of round 9 mga kaboksing.
in the next 3 rounds, we could have South Africa's fourth
Ever WBC champion of the world, Siyakowe Kusi.
And we just got to mention it just before. It's another event coming up on the 29th of May. Of course, Kevin Rina is defending his
Start of round 10 po tayo mga kaboksing.
adding to the list.
At sa round 9 I think nakuha po ni Kosi. Malinaw po na nakuha ni Kosi ang bakbaka na yon. Hindi ko po nakitaan ng magandang mga kombinasyon itong ating kababayan. And I think may nakakaramdam po ng fatigue itong si Jerusalem.
Will put South African boxing in a great context to have another major world champion in the stable, but nothing's done yet. We're still in round number 10. There's still a long way to go. Melvin Jerusalem's a credible world champion. He's the current WBC world champion, and he's got pullback power of note.
Definitely far from Dan Hayden. But, wow. Let's see what happens in the next few minutes. With Mauritius Suleiman at ringside. And the South African Siak.
And I think mga kaboksing ay kumpiyansa na itong si Siyakowe Kusi na masusungkit niya itong kuruna nitong ating kababayan.
Back to base and throwing a nice jab there. Kuse landing, but then was really at left.
So this is round 10
Step back.
Slips the punch.
at 2 rounds na lang po ang buong ating abangan.
1 minute 30 seconds left of round number 9. Round 10 at least. Losing rounds.
So from round 1 to round 6 I think ay very close fight po ang bakbakan. Pero unti-unti pong umaarangkada at tumatama ng mas maganda itong si Siyakowe Kusi from round 6 to round 10 sa round na ito. At kitang-kita nyo naman
See,
na
number 10.
umaabot po ang lahat ng mga punches ni
The accuracy on Kuse.
Kosi
He's looking at
sa ating kababayan. Talagang ginagamit niya ng maganda, utilize niya ang haba ng kanyang kamay.
exuberance. He's kept it nice
At maganda po ang depensa ni Kosi.
there.
Yeah, he's nice and calm and cool. Hayden, boxing smooth. You know, that's
At talagang I think para masilyuhan talaga ni Melvin Jerusalem ang kanyang pagkapanalo dito
because there's still two
ay kailangan niyang patulugin itong kanyang kalaban.
to see. Oh, he's giving the world champion a beating.
Again na naman, patuloy na tumatama si Siyakowe Kusi.
We've seen so many fights where it's been even more one-sided. This is not a one-sided.
Sumasagot naman po si Melvin Jerusalem pero hindi po malinaw ang kanyang mga suntok. Yun,
Look at the
tumama doon si Jerusalem. It was the end of round 10 mga kaboksing.
London to become the first man ever from that part of the world. Oh, it's going to be a story. What? 6 minutes to go.
And also putting the
Start of round 11 po tayo mga kaboksing.
legit
At base po sa nakikita natin ngayon ay
The commentary box
lumalamang po.
with talent.
We've got a lot of talent here on the African continent.
Lumalamang po itong si Siyakowe Kusi
Of Bevan Sibanda.
sa scorecard.
What a phenomenal group
At
of talent.
magaganda po ang kanyang mga patama.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Samantalang gumaganti naman po si Jerusalem pero hindi po malinaw ang kanyang mga suntok. And mas accurate po ang mga punches nitong challenger na si Siyakowe Kusi.
I would have thought a little bit more urgency, but maybe he's trying to time himself, save a little bit of energy, and explode in the last minute of the round.
It's almost as if see it just
I think kailangan talaga ni Jerusalem ang pasukin itong depensa nitong si Siyakowe Kusi
it's going to be
at makipagbakbakan ito ng
I think this is a
close range kasi hindi po maabot-abot ni Melvin Jerusalem
Kuse because
itong si Kusi.
it's about him.
So kailangan talagang tututo
This last 2 rounds he
at dikitan po ang laban
to become the world champion.
para po tumama ng maganda si Melvin Jerusalem.
and
Nice job coming from Kusi.
so he's got to keep his hands up. And here he's dropping his hands.
Or perhaps it's
So ito no, pa-jab-jab na lang itong si Kosi.
the first fight.
At mukhang ingat na rin. Baka mamaya masilatan pa daw siya.
One, I didn't
At
fight.
tuloy matalo at mapurnada itong kanyang inaasahang panalo.
But obviously we biased as well because we South African.
Nice exchange.
We can take biased out the window. The South African.
Nag-miss po ang malakas
And Melvin Jerusalem.
na right hand nitong si Siya Kolwakosi.
And he explodes.
Yun! Tinamaan, bumagsak po si Siya Kolwakosi at binilangan.
Jerusalem
Five.
has got a knock six.
At hindi po natin masyadong nakita kung ano ang suntok na tumama.
He's dropped.
Pero talagang
He's straight.
tinamaan po yun.
Look like a flash knock.
I think sa nguso usa pa nga. At napaupo nga po itong si Siya Kolwakosi. Nice round for Melvin Jerusalem.
Kusei, yeah, he's got to be smart now.
Melvin Jerusalem's fighting now.
Good left coming from Jerusalem.
Jerusalem has an opportunity to put Kusei down one more time.
Ito na sana ang pagkakataon na patulugin ni Jerusalem itong kanyang kalaban. At kailangan talaga niyang pasukin. Ayun again. Tumama na naman si Jerusalem.
Canvas there.
Jerusalem's won the 11th round.
Kusei's error.
It was the end of round 11. At bumagsak nga po sa round na ito si Siya Kolwakosi, ang challenger.
It's dependent on,
Well, let's say it is a 10-8 round. Then the fight's gone.
technically, yes, and
On one go.
Round 12 na po tayo, the last and final round. At pinabagsak nga po ni Melvin Jerusalem itong kanyang kalaban sa round 11 matapos tamaan ng right counter punch. At tumama po direkta sa nguso nitong kanyang kalaban.
Got to see this round.
At napabagsak nga po.
Got a big chance.
it's
Mabilis namang tumayo itong si Kosi at
Kusei was
I think nakarecover naman po siya agad pero patuloy pong tumama
Kusei.
ang mga powerful punches ni Jerusalem. It was a good right hand again coming from Jerusalem.
You must use the jab. Siakowe Kusik. Stay boxing. Stay.
Nice to the body coming from Jerusalem.
Turning around. Stop turning around.
Kailangan talagang habulin ni Jerusalem at dikitan itong kanyang kalaban. Nice one-to combination coming from Kosi.
Good one through there. Jerusalem leading with the right hand there.
1 minute 50 seconds left of this round.
Talagang masasabi kong hirap patamaan ni Jerusalem itong kanyang kalaban. Ayun! Tumama po doon.
From Sekoe Kusei.
It was a good left hand coming from Jerusalem.
Jerusalem as well.
Kita nyo na, mga kaboksing, mabilis pong umaatras, nagbabakpidal itong si Siya Kolwakosi para po hindi tamaan ng mga counter punches ni Jerusalem. Good exchange. Tinamaan po doon si Jerusalem. Siya po ang pumasok pero mukhang siya po ang tinamaan. So round 12 na po tayo, the last and final round. At ito nga po ang pang-apat na pagdepensa ni Melvin Jerusalem sa kanyang hawak na titulo na WBC minimum weight world title. At ito po ay kontra kay Siya Kolwakosi ng South Africa. At ito po ay rematch. At ayun, nakukorner po doon si Jerusalem. 48 seconds na lang po tayo. At I think mga kaboksing, talagang kailangan ni Jerusalem na patulugin itong kanyang kalaban para masilyuhan ang kanyang panalo. Very close fight po ang bakbakang ito.
Kusei landing effectively there with a right hook on Jerusalem.
And Jerusalem's coming now. 20 seconds left.
Jerusalem's got 15 seconds now. Kusei's probably best to get on his bicycle and stop circling.
10 seconds left mga kaboksing. At umaatras na si Kosi. Ayaw magpadikit. At ayun. End of round 12. Tingnan po natin mga kaboksing kung madidepensahan ni Melvin Jerusalem at makukuha niya. Tingnan natin kung makukuha niya ang panalo nitong kanyang pang-apat na pagdepensa sa kanyang hawak na titulo. Antayin po natin mga kaboksing ang formal announcement ng panalo.
116 in favor of your winner and the new
So ayun mga kaboksing, talo po ang ating kababayan na si Melvin Jerusalem at panalo po dito si Siak Kosi via unanimous decision sa score na 116-111 sa dalawang hurado at 115-112 sa isang hurado. So congratulations Siak Kosi at of course bounce back sa ating kababayan na si Melvin Jerusalem. Para sa mga classic fight at latest boxing updates, mag-subscribe lang po kayo sa Hinirang Sports TV.